Thinking of making this one not a tan toe. I'm going to cut off the tail, go like so for a handle right up to there, and the blade here. I think I'm just going to sweep up. Let's do this. Ready for heat treat. Alright, 12:25. I'm at 150, exactly where I want to be. Shut this off. And we're ready to heat treat. Let's do this. Set that off to the side. Let me get my gloves on. I have 6 knives to heat treat. Also spike, which was a file. So gotta get that going. So wish me luck. Here we go. I'm just gonna move this over a little bit. And first one. A little bit of crackling. Whew, this one's hot. Okay. Over here. Let's see if we're straight. Looks straight. So that was a success. That was a mouthful though. That was a success. Yep, passes the test. Set this one off to the side and get the next one. Man, that sure was some tough stuff. So that takes care of that one. Now I'm going to need this one for the lanyard hole. Lift this up a little more. Let me place this pin in here. That way we don't have any movement. I don't know what's up with this first one. It's not good. Okay. Oh, I see the problem. All right, here we go. Did I hit? It's weird. Wasn't supposed to be hitting anything. Forgot which is which. Yeah, I think it was this one here. Front pin and a rear pin. Lanyard tube, and then the decorative pins. Okay. Here's where I'm at with this knife. I made it kind of rugged. See all these little swirl marks and this and that? Well, I basically set it right on the concrete and went to town on it. And then I blued it. Yeah. Right now it has some, what is this called? Jeez, can't even think today. WD-40. So I'm letting that soak in, penetrate everything so it won't create rust. I did put a secondary edge on here. Almost messed it up over here. I went a little high on this side of the ricasso, but I ended up fixing that. And I'm about to go do the sheath. It's very cold in here. Actually, there's a storm up north, and here in Florida, it is 51 in here. Outside, 46. Yeah. Florida weather, that doesn't really happen. So I got the kerosene heater over here, and I'm gonna wipe this down real quick, and I'm gonna make a sheath. Now I don't know, you guys probably sick and tired of seeing me building sheaths. I guess I'll just do little clips here and there, so I won't bore you to death. But it's all basic common sense type thing. If anyone who wants to see video in depth, just let me know. Yeah, I'm trying to make this thing look a little more like it's been used and abused. I don't want it to look too new. I guess that's the theme that I'm going with this one. Let me tape up the blade and then do the Kydex sheath. Actually, see here, I have some new Kydex that just came in the other day. 2 nice big sheets. And check all this material out. Oh yeah, knife handle making. So here it is. Alright, as you can see, I'm near the end. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to distress all of this because I want it to be rough and rugged like that. Don't ask me why, but got to do things different, you know. Alright, as you can see, distressed. Very nice. So now I'm just going to do my little signature thumb ramp, and then put the eyelets in, clean her all up, give her one last sharpening, which will be on the whetstones, and then she'll be good to go. Go close enough to it. Okay, I'm going to clean this off. Looking pretty good. This one, oh, should I wait more? Yeah, I think I will. Alright, just finished her up. Yeah, it's a rainy one today. There's no snap, but she's in there. Got the logo in there. Can't focus in now. It's alright. That's it. On to the next one. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Nice little project. A little something different. Take care.